Hey Math Chams, welcome to my class. Here in my class, you matter. So our lesson for today is about reading and writing numbers. Here in my lesson, read and write, do it right. So for today's activity, you are expected to read and write numbers up to 10,000 in symbols and in words, write numbers in standard form, and write numbers in expanded form. Get your learning material in math and try to answer the activity under MATH-DALI. This is a review of our past lesson last week. Are you up for this challenge? You can pause this video and try to answer the activity first. And you can check it using the answer key on page 11. Now that you are done, how was the activity? Did you get all? Now you're ready for our lesson for today, and it's all about reading and writing numbers. So what can you see on the presentation? We can use this place value chart to read and to write numbers. So we have here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and hundreds. And this number, we read it as 13,853. We can read and write numbers in three ways. First, in standard form. When we say standard form, we simply express numbers into symbols, or simply writing 13,853 or 13,000, 853. We can also express numbers through their word name. When we say word name, we simply spell out the numbers. We can use the place value chart to read and to write numbers into words. For example, we have this number, 567. We identify its place value. We have 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 7 ones. Therefore, we have 567. Now, try to get or to express the number in their word names through this number. 829. We identify the place value. 8 hundreds, 2 tens, 9 ones. And you write it into word name, 829. And writing numbers into words, you should know the basic spelling of the numbers. Another way to write numbers into words is, for two-digit number, we use hyphen to separate the words. So for example, we have 93. Simply write 90 hyphen 3. Next example, 34. 30 hyphen 4. Write these two digits into word form. 48. 40 hyphen 8. Next, 51. 50 hyphen 1. We write numbers into words. We use comma to separate each period. When we say period, it composes of 3 digits. So when we say 14,123, 14,000, 120 hyphen 3. Another example, 5,432. 5,000, 430 hyphen 2. Now try to do it with the following examples. Another way to express numbers is through expanded form. A number is written in expanded form when expressed as a sum of the products of the digits and their corresponding place value. We have the same number as example, 13,853. First, we need to identify its place value. So the place value of each digit is 1 10,000s, 3 thousands, 8 hundreds, 5 tens, 3 ones. Now we get the product by the corresponding place value of each digit. 1 times 10,000, where did we get 10,000? We got it from its place value. 1 times 10,000 is equal to 10,000. 3 times 1,000 is equal to 3,000. 8 times 100 is equal to 800. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Now we use that sum of their products as its expanded form. So we get 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3. That is how we express numbers through expanded form. We also use the value of each digit to express numbers in expanded form. A number is written in expanded form by simply giving the value of each digit. So we have an example here, 14,923. So we get the value of each digit. 1 is for 10,000, 4 is 4,000, 9 is 900, 2 is 20, 3 is 3. Now we write it in expanded form by using its sum. 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 3. That's how you write numbers in expanded form. Now you are ready for a practice test. Get a piece of paper and a pencil and try this one. First, we express numbers through standard form or in symbols. I will tell the number and you'll write it in standard form or symbol. Number 1, 483. 483. The answer is very good. Next, 1,882. 1,882. The answer is, and last we have 13,483. 13,483. So you can see the answer on the presentation. How many did you get? Try also to express the following numbers in word name. Number 1, 342. 342. The answer is very good. Number 2, we have 2,480. 2,480. The answer is, and number 3, we have 15,373. 15,373. The answer is, though we try to express number in expanded form through place value. So we have this number, 16,831. First, you need to identify its place value. So I give you 10 seconds to identify its place value. Now let's identify the place value of each digit. So we have 1 10,000s, 6 thousands, 8 hundreds, 3 tens, 1 ones. Now we get the product with their corresponding place value. 1 times 10,000 is equal to 10,000. 6 times 1,000 is equal to 6,000. 8 times 100 is equal to 800. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So what do we get? We have 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 1. Did you get it right? Try to express this number in expanded form through value. So we have this number, 19,348. So I'll give you 10 seconds to identify the value of each digit in this number. I know you can do it right. Okay, now let's identify the value of each digit. So we have 1, we have 10,000, 9,348. We now express it in expanded form. So we have 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. That's how you write numbers in expanded form through value. You're ready to answer the following activities in your module on your own. But let's remember with these MATH-DALI key points. Numbers can be expressed in words. Numbers can be expressed in symbols or in standard form. We use a hyphen to separate two digits. We can read and write numbers by using its place value. And a number can be expressed in expanded form by using its place value and value. I hope you learned something today. See you in our next class.